Hello friends, it's Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? I am coming by with just a quick little treasure hunting video that of some things I've found. And what I'm doing, seem to be doing this week is cleaning up my craft room. So I'm putting away the things that I've brought home. So I almost want to call it, instead of a haul video, I want to call it a clean up my craft room video. But that's what I'm doing. So these are just a few things. So this should be a short video, but some cute things, I think. So I found this cookbook. It's a gooseberry patch, and I see I've been seeing quite a few of those, and there's some bigger ones that don't have this spiral on them that I have not been buying. I just, for some reason, they're not the same as these that are shaped like this with the spiral. So I pass on those, but I usually pick these up because I love this size, and the covers on these are just extra special, and you know, the pictures and everything are so cool. Here's the back of this one, and this is like a navy blue and white you know, plaid trim. So, and here's the inside of this one. It has like burgundy and blue, it looks like, borders, and just, you know, Gooseberry Patch has these cute pictures, and I like the font and everything. And there's, you know, it looks like there's usually a picture on every page, so it just makes the whole cookbook really cute, and all the pages really cute and usable. So I got that, and then the other books I got in this at this moment, you know, shopping trip was this Rudolph little golden book. Looked a little older than some of the ones I've seen recently, so I was really intrigued by that. So I went ahead and picked this one up. It's got he's got two little bunnies on his back. I just thought it was so cute. And the copyright, let me see if I can see what that is on this one. This one is 1982, so not, you know, not 50s or 60s or anything, but it just looks so cute and different from the regular Rudolph that I've been seeing. So I picked that one up. I picked this one up because of the size. I hadn't seen a Lion King in this little smaller, you know, it's this smaller golden book, you know, so I hadn't seen one in this size. I was like, I thought this was so cute. So this one, the Rudolph, I'm probably going to keep for making a journal, but this one I might put in my shop. I always pick up the smaller size when I see them, because I don't see them. This one does have a ripped page, just for you know, if I link, I'll probably link this video in my listing. So it's otherwise, I mean, it looks new. It doesn't really have any wear on the cover, so I'm surprised it has a tear in the back there, but I think that's the only page that's torn, you know, and I'll compensate for that in the price. But you know, you can still see the picture, most of him here, and then you can read all the words. But you know, I just thought it was so cute. I wanted to go ahead and get it and put it in my shop. And this one, of course, I usually almost always, and probably always, get the ones with bunnies on them, the little golden books with bunnies. This one has a little bit of ink writing there that I might be able to get off. I'll have to experiment with that. But I love the egg book. This little story is so cute, and that bunny. And here's the back of this one. And let me see. Originally 49 cents, so that tells me it's probably kind of old. It's got some writing here on the first page. And the copyright on this one is 1962. So, but there were, besides the writing, like if I will make this into a journal, so I could cover this up, this writing, and still be able to leave the bunnies. There's a little bit of writing on this egg here, so I could cover that egg up too. But that would be no problem in doing that with some fabric or something, or collages, you know. But I love this book with all the little images and the ducks and the bunnies, just so cute. So I got that. And I don't think I have jewelry in my shop, and I don't think I've ever shown any of it before. And I'm getting ready to list these pieces that I picked up recently. So I thought since I was showing the books, why not go ahead and show you the jewelry I'm getting ready to list. This I picked up because I thought it was so cute. It's got a chain. It looks like it's in good shape, or great shape, perfect shape. And I don't see any markings here on the clasp or on the little bird cage, but this is a little bird cage. I thought, you know, it hangs like this, and just thought it was so cute. I've never seen anything like that before, so I went ahead and picked this up from my shop, and it's a bird cage with a little bird in there. Just thought it was so cute, so that's going in my shop. And then this, if I see animal pins, I usually pick them up if it's an animal, a cute little animal that I like cats or birds or something, turtles, frogs, bees, things like that. I'll pick up from my shop. So this was 2 little kitty cats, and again, no markings. I just thought it was cute. I don't know how old it is. I got all of these things at the same thrift store, and they have, I'm trying to see, they have collars on. This one's like smooth gold. This one's kind of textured, and I think they both have collars on, and this one has a blingy collar right there. So hopefully that is showing up on the camera, but really cute. And then 2 pins I have here. This one's like a black jet pin, which I think is really pretty, and it could be really old. I'm not, you know, have no way to really tell how old these things are like that, but it looks like it's probably old from the rhinestones in the middle. Look old to me, but anyway, there's, you know, the clasp is good on here. Here's the back, what it looks like, and here's the front. Just a really pretty pin, and you can kind of see it's about a little bit more, maybe it's either 1 inch or a little bit more than 1 inch across. So just really pretty. And then the last pin I got it's tiny. I almost was thinking maybe I could use this for a charm, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in my shop. It's got this is the back of it, and everything's in good shape here. It kind of just pops out like that, the pin, like that. This one, the black one, has one of the turn clasps where you turn it and then it releases. But this one has that little pop out pin, like I just showed you. And then here's the front. It's kind of sparkly, and I'm not sure if, I'm trying to see if it's just filigree or there's some actual rhinestones or something in there. And it's so, whatever is on there is so tiny, it's hard to see right now. But I am going to, it looks like there are some tiny, you know, it looks like there's rhinestones, but I can't really tell. I think there is one in the middle here, and the rest might be just metal. But I just thought it was pretty and sparkly, and so I picked that up for my shop, and I like the size of it. Like I said, you can use it for a pin or maybe a charm. So, or, you know, it'll be pretty in a collage in a journal, just to pin it on top of a pretty collage. So I just loved it, so I picked it up from my shop. So that's it for today, just a short one. I have a few other things to share in the next another haul video of some books that should be short too, but I picked them up from my shop because I would like to make journals out of them, but I just, you know, I don't think I'm going to. For one, I probably don't have time. I would probably never get around to it. So I thought I'd just share those in my shop, and then, you know, go from there. So that's it for today, and I'll see y'all next time. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.